the rod OA rotates in the horizontal plane such that the angle, nakita naman ang angle, kasi yung dito yung positibo, may arrow man da. So that the angle theta is equals to t cubed rod. At the same time, the color B is sliding outward along OA so that R, the radial distance, is given as 100 t squared mm. If in both cases, t is in seconds, determine the velocity and acceleration of the color when t is equals to 1 second. So luckily, the expressions are not in the form of vectors. Therefore, we can just easily solve this using algebraic solution. Okay, so let's do them. Okay. This is problem 1.61. 1.61. Ating drawing is, this is part of the given. Okay. This is the origin, this is the positive direction of the theta, and our color B is here. It is the radial distance. According to given, the theta is t cubed, while the R is 100 t squared. Ano ito that? The velocity and acceleration at t equals to seconds. Velocity at 1 second and acceleration at 1 second. We can also use para more specific. Okay, so what is our solution? Our solution is first to derive these two, which we're going to need them in substituting to velocity and acceleration of formula. So let's derive the line. Theta that this will be 3t cubed, 3t squared. Theta to do that, this will be 60. All right, let's do the same with R. R dot is equals to 200t, and R to that is 200. So at time 1 seconds, this will all be theta is equals to 1. This is rad, rad theta that is equals to 3 rad per second. Theta that is equals to 6 rad per second squared. R is equals to 100 mm. Correct? R that is equals to 200 mm per second. And R that is equals to 200 mm per second squared, which is constant. So we have all the givens now. All we have to do now is to plug them in the equations. First, let's go to velocity. Velocity, VR the line, VR is equals to R dot. That is equivalent to 200. Oh. And V theta is equals to R theta dot. R dot is 100. Theta dot is 300. Oops. Mm per second. Right? Let's go to acceleration. Acceleration is mas level up. ER is R double dot minus. I think that is the equation. R double dot is 200 minus R, which is 100 minus theta dot, which is 3 squared. Oh, this would be 9. Lemon? Integration 100. 9, 2. What is the value? 200 minus 100 times theta dot 3 squared. 900. 200 minus 900 is negative 700. 700. This would be mm na ha? Per second squared, unlike ginadiyo region per second squared. Now, for E theta is R is 100. Theta to that is 6 plus 2. R dot is 200. Theta dot is 3. Oh, dapat. 600, 6 times 2, 512. Please check, wait mo, check ako ng computation. 600 plus 1, 2, 200 plus 1, 2. This is 18. Correct? 600, 2 times 3, 6 times 200 is 1, 2 plus 6 is 1, 18. So, yeah, minus yun na yan. Ang bilang operator, minus it. Uy, lumay na lang time ko. This will end, I think. I don't know. I don't know the time, maybe. It's here. So we have the components. We have the components. The wrong question is not the component. Eh. The question is what is the velocity and what is the acceleration. So we need to give the resultant velocity and resultant acceleration as well as the respective directions. So what is the V here? And what is the acceleration? Let me have my calculator. Oh God, yeah, okay. Wala ako di calculator. So just please give me the answer for velocity and the acceleration, okay? Pwede ba hindi ah? Durugay dito, please. I'm waiting ha. Drawing ako dito ni Suba. Paano drawing is some components? We have components na VR, which is 200. So kung drawing mo dito yung VR, blue, we have 200. Okay, VR. What about V theta, 300? Ay, salat na. Dito ko yung drawing. Really, please. Wait. Downward. Not in VR. Positive siya. Therefore, it must increase VR. While our V theta is positive also, therefore it must increase the theta. So in the direction ng increase in theta, dito rin sa VR. That is 300. So mas takot ako siya. No? Tama yung ako. 2/3 na. This is V theta. So this is our V. All right. Now let's draw again for the acceleration. Acceleration is AR is negative 700. Negative 700. Negative siya. Therefore, ano siya? Natutunto siya. It must oppose the VR. AR, negative. Negative natin AR, pero natin yung VR is positive. Pero kung negative natin AR, tapos negative na natin VR, therefore, dapat the same silang sense. Pero hindi. Therefore, deceleration is yan. Binigyan up to sige si VR, which is negative 700. So, ito po siya. So, malalawas to siya. This is AR. And the other one is A theta, positive. Positive siya. Therefore, inabigyan niya si velocity. Therefore, ito siya sa P. 1/8 pa rin ako ba? Alright. Not drawn to scale. It's alright. So, ano na itong mag-achieve sa velocity? Tara na, mag-achieve sa acceleration. I have only less than 10 minutes. So, na itong ang path. Ang path, let me draw it in red. Lumira, hindi nga ito ng polar. Sorry, this is origin. Nag-move siya. Angularly, nag-move man ng ating polar outward. So, this is our velocity. It must be tangent at that point, meaning I assume mga ating path something like this. Uy, nula ka na mag-draw. Not sure, huh? None. Because at that point, our velocity is still tangent. Ang velocity must be tangent. all the time to the past. But the resultant acceleration niya must always be inside of the curve. That's why natin na acceleration na sa sulod. No matter what, basta curve na gayong path niya, pero wala mo kung correct o hindi, ang imong resultant acceleration dapat ito sa sulod. Ay siya na nag-push, nag-change ang direction. At kung wala na siya tanis, sa sulod, mas straight na siya. Ang ilagan. Okay, so what is the velocity? No, acceleration. Why you po answer? Kailan? Square, ano na, squared na. 200 squared, 300 squared. Then give me the ano. Why good? Okay. I'm still waiting for the answer. Here the velocity and acceleration. For the angle, yeah. Aring angle. Angle sa velocity. Aring natin mag V R. Aring natin mag V theta. Diba sa drawing to, ang maning R, ang maning theta, ang maning V mo, dapat tiri ka na yan. With respect to R, dapat yung mga ano. So, atin nga angle for velocity should be arctangent V theta, ang atin nga vertical VR. So, ang atin nga angle for acceleration niya is arctangent acceleration theta over acceleration R. Ang mga naging idugang ita. So, whatever the result of this angle. So, please kindly give me the values of velocity, acceleration, and the corresponding directions. No, wala dyan po answers. Ano ni Mana, paano ma-solve niya? Kamaya? Ay, salamat. V36056. Okay. Hindi ko kabalo kung diin ito mo subong iban basi galagulagaw ni. Pero ma-reflect na Japan sa inyo grade. mm per second. First duration is 1658 by 31 mm per second squared. What about the angle. The angle for velocity and the angle for acceleration. Because the question is velocity and acceleration. Therefore, we must give magnitude and direction. Wrong na siya kung nakatagalan niya sa mga value. Hindi na siya acceptable. Okay. About the angle. The theta is 300 over 200 less than 45 positive. For ano kaya, acceleration niya is negative 1/8 divided by negative 700, so negative siya. One, two, divided by negative 700. Okay, I'm waiting for directions now. Initial. Hindi siya dapat ang angle. That is V theta. Tapos initial angle or acceleration theta. Ay, sorry. Theta for acceleration. Muna natin ng R eh. Natin R. Natin nga theta. So, ang final expression of velocity and acceleration according sa drawing, less than 2 minutes na lang, hindi ko matapos yan. 360.56. Ang sabi ng araw man. I'm not sure man. 300 V theta over VR na 200, that should be over 45 lang. Close na sa 90. 56 na dapat. Muna dapat ang direction of 56.31. That's the value of P. While for the acceleration niya, 1658.31 mm per second squared. Muna dapat ang direction sa acceleration. I don't know what is that. But that is the value. What is the answer? Okay, so that will be our first, first sample problem. Let's proceed with the next na lang since already 6 na wake up na ako sa quiz tomorrow. Okay.